additional members, ngicabanga ukuthi ema-comrade lawo 8 la 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, bese siba nama-additional members, comrade Nomcebo Mbamali. Ngicela sonzele comrade Nomcebo Mbamali. Siyabonga comrade. Naye-ke i-task team yethu comrade ngokwama-portfolio marketing. Mhlawumbe ngicela ku-check-a comrade. Injengoba injalo enivumelene ngaphandle. Okay. Siyabonga comrade. Bashaya lehlombe comrade. No. Siyabonga-ke comrade. Mhlawumbe kutoba kuncane le nto usho kuma-comrade ngoba kanjalo. Ngicabanga ukuthi ucomrade ubongani mhlawumbe ucomrade udeployed the previous one. Wawagcizelela ukuthi comrade kuwina kwale ward kulele kithi thina lesikhethwe njengamanje. Into yema-faction comrades, into ye-division comrades, kumele sibeke eceleni. Siyi-one team. Kukhona into lengishiyo ukuthi many hands, but one goal to achieve. Lokusho ukuthi ngoba singaka comrade, kumele sibambisane. Lama comrade lawa they are the varieties or noma bayi vehicle wina mkhetho kwa 18. You comrades, amamasses, you are the light. They will indicate njenge leadership ukuthi now we want to go to this direction. Sinokuya ngapha. When you bring the light, comrade, let us rally behind these comrades. Sisebenze nabo ngendlela. Ema-issues esiwabone ewadini, njengamanje lama-comrades atolida le structure from now on atocitha ngaDisemba. Isho njalo i-guideline ithi lama-comrades lama-structures esiwakhetha manje atolida manje alinde. Into lesiyikhulumayo comrades, sikhuluma into enkhetho. Into lesiyikhulumayo ama-comrades, sikhuluma into ye-unity. We have to unify the word. Ema-comrades leniwabonayo phuma eceleni kungumsebenzi wenu njenge-structure ukuthi niwacele kwenu. Uma nibona ukuthi alimata le ward adala ama-divisions, ngiyacela comrade kube ngumsebenzi wenu niwakhole ama-comrade nihlale nawo phansi niwabonisa indlela lengiyo. And lokho kusho ukuthi comrade, whoever comrade lafisa kungena kuma-candidates la disrupt kusebenza komkhonto ewadini, you are the one to recall them. Mbabili comrade, recall them, hlala nawo phansi comrade indlela yokusebenza ngale. Angafike ama-comrades lana afisa ukungena kuma-structures kuma-candidates. Afike adivide nakuqala na bese nani you remain divided. Comrades, you must be united. Make sure with whatever problems lakhona ewadini, you are the ones to resolve them. Ngendlela lefanele ngokwe-unity yethu. Niyawati umsebenzi ngicabanga ukuthi comrade manje ngoba sekhona ama-portfolio. Mina nje khona kumele ukuthi sengiyamati kumele ngifake egroupini. Spokesperson ngisebenza naye. Ngizobalanza ngimtshele ukuthi yini umsebenzi wakhe nolenzele kokuyo. Kodwa ngenhlanhla lapho intaba yami ngisabajela. Now bayawakha umsebenzi. Each and every one of you comrades, you know ama-duties enu okumele niwathathe. Now, uma sizokwenta lokho ngokweqiniso, ngokuthanda umkhonto, singabi nama-self-interest. Sizokwenta umsebenzi siwile. Ngiyabonga comrades, siyabonga comrades.